Yo, what's up? I'm Gavin. I'm Darren's friend.
Chat, y'all already know I'm McBunny12, but my actual name is Darren. Alright, let's go. Gavin, wanna play Rivals? Real quick?
I bet, bro. Bet, bet. Yo, Hans said he's gonna charge, so let's go.
Yeah, I just...
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I gotta turn off the music,
Yo.
bro. I don't wanna get copyright. Gotta turn off the music.
Bro, Darren, there's no copyright
Bro,
music in
there...
Rivals.
Bro, just in case, man.
I
I just started posting every day. Gavin, I'ma invite you real quick. Gavin, I'ma invite you. Who's messaging me?
POV, a random song from Tebu.
Wanna do the obby? Never mind. Okay.
Alright, bro, Abby, let's do Abby.
Nah, bro, never mind.
Alright, bro, let's
Kanina, I
go.
just posted, ano,
Yo, bro, you start, bro. We got stop spamming, bro. We got stop spam. Get the baby oil. It's ready. It's ready. It's time to party. What the heck? Guys, don't mind what the messenger we're saying. What in messenger you're saying.
nah, don't worry, I already closed my, ano.
Alright. Are you still recording? Still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Alright.
Guys, we're about to skibidi slicers, but if we lose, we have to eat a raw egg. Nah, just kidding. But we just gotta, ano, play the most impossible obby if we lose 3 times or 5 times.
We gotta do this 5 times, sadly. Why five? Oh,
No,
wait, what?
like if we lose 5 times, ano,
We
if we
gotta
lo-
do the impossible obby.
yeah, if we lose 5 times, we gotta do the impossible obby. Where are you
Yo, guys,
from?
don't. Yo, chat. Don't look at chat. Chat. Don't look at chat.
I'm from. No. Wrong weapon. Oh my god.
Guys, I am the most pay to win dude ever, like a YouTuber, but I'm not a YouTuber.
Oi, bro, I'm cooked. Already cooked.
Bro, bro, these people are. Bro, do you guys see this? They're literally
Why?
using.
Bro, my phone! Why is my phone in the way? Ay,
Nah, Darren, you're cooked, bro. Sorry.
no.
How? How? One of them's using a revolver. One of
What
them's
the
using.
Sigma? I didn't see them,
Why
bro.
so pay to win, bro? They're so pay to win.
I
They have
used
so much skins,
I
bro.
used the wrong
Darren,
weapon.
bro, Darren. If they have so much skins, that means they're just pay to win.
I used the
Skins
wrong
equals pay to
bro.
win.
I used the wrong weapon.
Skins
I
equals pay to
they're
win.
on fire! They literally got caught on fire, bro. Nah, why you
Ice, one's dead,
parkouring?
one's dead, one's dead,
Why you
one's dead, one's
parkouring,
dead.
bro? Hey, hey,
What's up, broski? What's up? Yes, sir. Bro,
humble.
you are not humble, bro. You are humbled.
Oh, bro, you're a cook, Gavin. Bro, we're gonna lose 5 times. No, like Gavin, if we lose every match 5 times, then we gotta play the most impossible obby. Nah, can you land there? Oh no, hell no. Hell no, he doesn't see me. Hell no.
Guys,
Hell no.
I'm a rival Snow Life, just so you guys know. I'm a rival Snow Life.
KR Forsaken. I just killed KR Forsaken.
Bro, guys, chat, this is the easiest round I've ever done, bro. We just gave them a free win at the start.
Cap, Gavin, you're capping. We're not trying to act like one of those YouTubers that fake everything. Yes! He's on fire. He's on fire.
We're not trying to act like
We good shot.
Kaye, like
Yay,
the dude
yay,
who
yay,
scripts.
yay, yay! Oh my god, I'm cooked.
We're not trying to act like Kaye who scripts everything. Oh, nah, we're actually cooked. We are actually Coco. Why so? How?
They pulled up the freeze gun at me.
So guys, chat, we gotta use right shield to counter the knife plus freeze ray method.
Chat,
Chat.
I can't even afford the riot shield. How much does a riot shield cost?
No big no like I mean like no. Okay, I'm cooked. I'm
I
cooked.
missed, I missed.
How? Bro
Oh!
didn't even attack me. Where did bro came from?
Bro, I killed someone while I was dead. I'm gonna go hide. Let's go to the different direction.
Your chat was lucky.
No, I missed. I missed. Yes, I did miss.
Okay.
No, I'm frozen. Yes, thank you, Gavin. No,
I killed
one's
one,
low.
killed one.
Oh no, he's not low, but you can still kill him. He's on top of you. Hey.
We just wanted to make it fair, bro. We just wanted to make it fair.
Oh my bad, he fooled. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean you're
My
fooled?
bad, he full. What does that mean? Let's kill this other one first.
Oh, bro, it's on fire. Gavin, help! Gavin, help! Yes, I
Can't, bro.
avoided
I'm
him. I
on this
avoided
one.
him.
I'm on this dude. I'm
I
on the
avoided
other
him.
dude.
He literally froze me, but I avoided him.
I killed the humble.
Oh
He's
my
low.
god.
Yes, sir.
Bro,
Easy.
why did bro get in front of me?
Teabag on him, bro. Teabag on him.
Nah, if we... Oh my god, they're gonna knife. Are we cooked? I don't... What the...
Imagine hacking.
Imagine that.
Alright, bro. If bro's gonna knife, I'ma use RPG.
I'm gonna buy riot shield next time. No, 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 no. Gavin, he's very low.
What's up, little bro?
Gavin, you got this. Yes, 50 damage. If I were you, I would start panicking but stay calm at the same time. Gavin, right there! Gavin, right there!
Wait, got a heal, got a heal.
No, 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 no,
Well,
no.
how did that not hit? I'm panicking. I'm panicking.
Chat, Gavin's panicking. Gavin, run! Yeah! No way!
Easy.
Well played. Easy, easy. If they're gonna rematch, okay, we won. If we win 5 times, we get we skip it. I don't know. We're gonna
If
figure it
we
out.
win, we got to win 5 times. Then we can go to another game chat. Win 5 times, go to another
But if
game
we
chat.
lose if we lose five matches, then we gotta play the most impossible obby ever.
Yeah, bro. But if we win 5 times, we got one win. One win chat. Remember that, chat. We remember that.
Matchmaking. Did I just lose my streak? I don't remember losing my streak. Because Gavin, diba last night we played the obby mode?
Yeah?
Yeah, I left the game. I don't know if I lost my win streak. I'm not really sure.
Yo, battleground.
Yeah, we're cooked. Level 100, we're cooked.
Are you sure? Darren, don't worry, bro. We're pros, remember.
Yeah, bro, they're literally level 100, bro.
Yeah, bro. We literally beat the level 100, remember?
We won one time. Now, if we lose... What up, what up?
Guys, I'm lagging! Chat, I'm lagging! Chat, I'm lagging, chat. I'm lagging, chat. I'm lagging. Chat, I'm
Hui!
lagging.
Hui! KS... Oh, I thought that said KSI. Why are you slow-mo? Why are you
Bro,
slow-mo?
I'm lagging!
Bro really pulled up the Batang Quiapo slow motion.
Slow motion.
Nah. I'm fire day on that one. Kissed. No way you didn't see me, bro. Hmm?
Question mark.
Y'all.
Yell.
Teabagging.
Teabagging. I do not care. Teabagging. I'm not. Bro, I swear if they leave because we teabag them,
Oh my god.
imagine. Imagine Satchel spamming, bro. Imagine Satchel spamming.
I gotta lock in this time. I'm gonna go later.
I,
Oh, you on fire! You thought, bro! You thought!
yo, one of them Satchel spamming.
They thought, but I literally still killed them.
Lol.
Ah, bro, what the Sigma? No, bro. No! 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 Bro,
Nah,
Luis.
tell them imagine. Easy. Samsung pa. Samsung pa. Samsung Samsung pa.
I know what to do now. I understand it now.
I said it now.
Oh! Bro's on fire! He did not see that coming, bro.
Bro, I exploded him. I exploded him one time. I swear if this one dude leaves, he's still right there. He hasn't moved one bit, bro.
Why is this guy AFK? AFK at the worst time possible.
Easy. Samsung equals bad.
Is he playing on Samsung? How do
Reports.
you know he's playing on Samsung?
No, he's not, bro. His avatar is iPhone. iPhone equals bad. Samsung equals W. His avatar is
Oh,
literally.
yeah. Is he right there? Right there.
Darren, you literally should buy medkit, bro. You should buy
Yeah, I
medkit.
don't know if I have. Who is Gabriel?
What's up, Lil Bruh?
Right there.
What's up, Lil Bruh? What's up?
He's
Oh,
trying to
nah,
target.
really?
He's trying to target me.
Don't worry.
Samsung better. Samsung better, bro. Blood, I don't have Twitter. What are they yapping, bro? Yippity yappy. Just booze. Hot fire. Bro's on fire. Why is bro on fire? What the hell? Tingnan mo.
What's up, broski? What's up, broski?
If they such a spamming that.
What's up, broski? What's up, broski? What's up, broski?
We heal. Yeah, bet, bro, bet. Chat, why is Gavin trash talking? Just kidding.
Because they're kids, of course. Sorry, but nah.
Yummy hot dogs. Ooh, you thought I wouldn't see, huh?
Ew,
Easy!
ew.
Oh, chat, by the way, I'm not sure if I'm gonna post tomorrow because I gotta fix my headset. Hello?
Yo, what the, yo, bro, what the hell? Yo, Darren,
Gavin,
make sure to
Gavin,
put.
I gotta, wait lang. Guys, I might not be able to post tomorrow because I gotta fix my headset real quick.
Yo, chat. Yo, Darren, you should put You should collaborate with my channel. Like,
Bro, I don't know your channel. Don't use her mom's account. She'll get angry.
I don't. I use my channel. But too bad I forgot how to post. I forgot how to. Iyo ka dyan?
Iyo ka dyan.
Yo, Darren, I got a video idea. Darren, I got you a video idea, bro. What do you mean, bro? What do you mean? Why so angry? Just the
That
video.
guy literally said, ew. Bro, I can't even buy something. Whenever I try to buy something, the game just starts. Why so serious?
Darren, I got a video idea. I'ma chat you late. I'ma tell you later after your video.
Yeah, guys, if you think we're gonna leak, nah, we're no leaking, bro. We're no leaka.
We're no leakers.
We're gonna leak Ruel, ano, we're gonna leak.
Cheapy kill.
Chat,
Yo, chat. Chat.
I'ma tell you one of my school secrets. Somebody
One of
like
our classmates doo-dooed in the toilet.
yeah, and they didn't flush it.
Yeah.
Tiri niya eh, bawal na amoy.
Baby powder. Let's
How
go,
did they
baby
all...
powder. Oh, nah, they're pay to win, bro.
Oh, you on fire, bro.
Imagine being pay to win and still losing.
Uy, saan galing? Energy used to pay to
Nah,
win.
little bro. Nah, little bro.
Bro, why does this guy's avatar look like R.I.P. Luffy?
Rip Luffy. Nah, bro, that's not Rip Luffy. That's Rip Gojo.
Go to the other side since they won't see me there. No, I missed.
I'ma go on the other side.
I'm missing Makaliki. Davido, who is dead? We don't know, the mobile player.
Bro, really sus. No, that was a PC player, bro. This is the mobile player.
Ay,
The hamster's the mobile player. The Rip Gojo's the PC.
by the way, I don't know if we can post on August 1 because we're gonna start having school. Ooh,
Yeah.
bro, what the Sigma? Literally, uy, spray use, uy, katana user. I should have knew it from the start. I should have knew it. He's actually pay to win, bro. He uses energy pistols too.
What? Nah, these people are
Hamster, the hamster, the hamster's very low. Hamster's very low. The hamster's very low. Wait there. No. Keep doing that.
What do you mean he's very low, bro? That ain't low.
Here, kasi
See?
medkit user talaga. Why is bro teabag in the air?
Lol, pay to win.
Low light slowed down. Yeah. What the hell? Yo, subspace users. They're actually pay to win. They're subspace users.
See? Both of them are pay to win.
I missed.
I hit one. I hit.
Alright.
Got the healer real quick.
Gavin, what do we reward ourselves? Yeah, I saw you. You thought.
Nah, probably midi gun player. What's up,
Ooh,
little
no,
bro?
David, David, by the way, what's our reward when we win 5 times?
Another video.
Oh no, I thought another game.
No, we're gonna go to another game once we win 5 times. Once we win
Yeah,
5
they're
times.
actually minigun users. Alright, you're on
No,
fire.
one of them using.
Oh, you using Kadana, but that failed. Sorry. Huy.
Bro, teabag the air. I teabag them.
I don't have mom. Is it?
Is it?
What do you mean? Ano na? Ay, Oh, Gavin, help!
Chill, bro. Chill. You got this.
I'm low. Never mind, I'm not low.
I got it, bro.
Loser.
Yo, guys, we won like 3 times. 2 more matches.
Yeah. I'm not
Yo,
sure.
Darren, after 2 more matches, wanna switch to Black Switch so like I can
I
tell
don't.
your fans or something. I can help you and stuff.
Tried how much the stretchy got.
Yo, ask.
Yes, I can
Yo,
buy the
Darren.
Riot Shield! Let's go! Yes,
Yo,
sir!
Darren. Yo, Darren. Ask the chat if they want to play Black Switch. If you
Bro,
want,
I'm
if they want.
recording, not live stream.
Yeah, just I
Okay,
know. Just
guys,
ask them.
by the way, guys, if you want the next video to be playing Blocks Fruits, just like and subscribe. W.
Nah, chat it, bro. Chat it, guys. Chat it. Chat if they.
Bro, they're not gonna
If
chat, bro.
you. No, like in the comments below.
Never, I'm not popular yet. I'm still starting my famous career. I'm not
Yo,
famous
guys,
yet.
comment below if you guys want us to play Block Switch next.
I'm not popular yet, but when I get a bit popular, they'll probably start chatting.
When you're a bit popular, you're gonna start live streaming.
But I don't really have a camera. I broke
No,
my
like without the camera, you're just gonna live stream without the camera.
I'm
Why
used to
arena?
Battlegrounds. Oh, sige,
Wait, they
Battlegrounds.
don't know the construction.
Why? Oh my
Bro, they
god.
literally
I'm
did.
a use
Eh,
riot
what
shield.
the hell?
I'm a
What
use riot
the hell?
shield. I'm gonna use the most annoying right.
Bro, Katana's better.
How do I block? How do I block?
You just gotta hold it. Well, you can't block fire. You can't block RPGs too.
Why is so on fire? Uy, tanong. Nope, they're not there. Wait, the riot shield users, I think. Gavin, they're right there! No! Look on the side eh. Gavin, they're
Hacker
gonna hide
kasi.
from the other side.
Hacker kasi! Imagine hacking! Bro, we're the next cheap pickles, bro. We're the next cheap pickles, yes,
Who
sir.
the hell is Cheap Pickles, bro?
How do you not know cheap pickle, bro? He's a Minecraft YouTuber.
He's trying to shoot me but failed. Nope, you can't dodge this though. Trying to snipe me, but you can't dodge that. Uy! Ha! Bro, I died.
Imagine losing to a assault rifle. What? How did I die? Or did they just reset?
Yeah, try to snipe me, guys. Uy!
Naji, lobas
Uy!
na. Naji, lobas na. Yo, I had to charge my PC, bro.
Twice!
I plugged in my PC. He's behind you, bruh.
Uy, hacker. Saan galing?
Lol, hake. Hake. Eh. Wait, Darren, can't we just shield each other?
Ay, they're on fire, they're on fire.
One low, one's low.
Ooh, ano na?
They're here.
Wala ko sir. Creecraft. Bro, you are not Creecraft.
Lil brush, not Pika. Bo really said, yeah, I know. Don't care.
Oh, you tryna hit me, bro. I'm on fire. What you gonna do about that? You're on fire, bro. using RPG. Next time, use RPG on them.
Bro, why are they spamming flare gun? Do they not know it doesn't work? Do they not know it's broken right now?
Oh,
Do they not know flare gun doesn't work right now?
ay Gavin, use the RPG if they're gonna actually use RPG then.
I'ma use RPG.
What is RPG? Oh, they tryna hit us. Oh, you missed. Sorry.
Sorry, but nah.
Bro, I literally shielded. What do you mean? They oh
Bro,
oh
shield
they
doesn't
used
work on
spray.
RPG.
I saw they used spray. No, bro. I'm gonna go to the other side. Loki, I'm gonna go to the other side.
Well, imagine hacking for you. Bro, hacker naman. Bro, why are they hacking kasi? Kakainis. Darren, we actually need to lock in, bro.
Bro, why are they following our every move?
Bro, nah, Darren, help me. Chat, help me. Guys, one subscribe and one subscribe and one like equals one
We're about to
help
lose
for
our first match.
Oh my god, they're hacking bro, it's
Ah,
because
we
they're
lost our
hacking.
first match. Uh, wait lang. Nah, why this one?
Nah, report them.
Chat, remember this. 3 wins, 1 lose.
I reported. No,
Yeah,
I'm gonna
guys.
recover my streak, bro. I recovered my streak last second. Yes, sir.
I didn't get to recover it. Oh my god. It's okay,
You're
guys.
cool, Darren.
It's okay, guys. Okay, guys, we got 3 wins, 1 lose. Okay, I just typed it on
Bro,
the notepad.
that chat. One person has voice chat. Let's see their reaction.
No, I don't have voice chat, so they won't be able to
No,
hear me.
I will just tell the chat what they're saying.
Assault rifle, spray, riot shield.
I
Imagine, bro,
accidentally used
man,
this, but it's okay.
bro, imagine they use riot shield too, and then we're just both using riot shield.
What are you guys gonna do if you guys are both using right shield, bro?
I don't know. Oh, trying to hit us from there? No, that's not gonna work. Sorry. What if there's pay to win? Energy pistols, Gavin. Energy pistols.
Wait, got a heal. Never mind, don't. He's half, of course. You're ELP, bro.
Use energy pistols. It's better.
Oh, hacker, lol, imagine, lol. Nah, I ain't. Y'all aren't gonna ruin my reputation.
Bro,
Okay.
please. I don't want to play that lobby, bro. You touched it on me.
Bro, why so aimbot kasi? Why so aimbot? Wait, Darren, I got a heal, bro. Protect me, Darren. I
Bro, how? He was not. He
Bro,
wasn't. Bro,
nah, Darren, this is our second lose, bro. How?
he wasn't even looking at me. How did he shoot me, bro?
See, bro. Oh my God, why are they hacking kasi? Darren, target the level, ano, target level 51 din.
I think he's just a pro undercover, bro.
Target this dude first. Target this dude. Why are y'all using hacks kasi? Now the other person's using voice chat. Stay there, bro. Stay there. Until they use stay there. They're gonna use a grenade. You got this. You got that. You got this. Darren, you got this, bro. Go, Darren.
Ah!
Why is bro screaming?
Uy.
Darren, if we lose this, Darren, if we lose 5 rows, we got to play Black Fruits.
Ah!
Oh. Bro, Darren, if we lose 5 games, we got to play Black Fruits as a punishment, bro.
Oh, bro, I don't know. Impossible obby na lang.
Yeah, it's a punishment nga. That's why it's
Impossible obby. Hindi naman obby. Black fruits ata. Gabi.
okay. What game do we play after after
Impossible
we?
obby in the world, bro. Yeah, we're not making this. We're actually not making this. Oh, China use grenade.
I'm not even on fire. Why am I getting damaged? Oh, when did you get here?
Uy.
See, bro's name is literally iPad Kid. Of course you are, bro. Of course you are a iPad Kid. Of course.
Bro, hacker.
Where is he?
Nah.
Dad, are you sure, bro? Are you sure?
Yeah, actually too late. Yeah, Gavin, when you turn 10, you're allowed to get Tuli now.
Alright, bro.
But it's optional if you want to get Tuli at 11 or 12.
Okay. Ikaw hacker.
Ikaw hacker.
Darren, say's the hacker. Say's the hacker.
Hindi. Locked in muna ako.
Right, bro, same.
Sana run.
Bro, I see this dude's chat, bro. I see this dude's chat. What is this dude doing? How? The other one's low. The other dude's low. That dude's low. Then behind you! Nah, bro, I'm just playing block shoots na lang, bro.
Bro, don't. Ano?
Nah, bruh.
Yeah, bro, we got
I
two.
quit, bruh.
Bro,
I quit.
we got two lose. It's okay, we still have a chance. Have two
Bro,
lose.
I literally wasted like 20 keys already on to revive my streak, bro. Saibao kid. I literally just yo chat. I said Saibao kid at the last second when we were teleporting, so he
Uber
couldn't scare it.
Eats. I'm competing against Uber Eats.
What?
Bro, so what's the reason they use Uber Eats? Oh, one's controller. One's controller. It's really hard to play on controller.
No, but they have auto shoot and auto aim.
Oh my god.
Oh, they have auto shoot and auto aim.
Yeah, I know. Then go. I'm gonna annoy this with. Nah, you. Nah.
Chat. Yo, chat. I'ma use this because it's really hard for them to counter this because I can shoot everywhere.
Oh, I saw you, little bro. I saw you, little bro. I saw you, little bro. I eliminated Uber
You killed
Eats.
Uber Eats.
Yeah.
Who's the other dude? Oh, found him.
Mm. P2 win W.
He's here, Darren. He's here, bro. I
Why,
finished this
Sumik
game.
running?
I'm dead. I'm dead. He's low.
Right there, right there. He's right there.
Where?
Come on, right
Found
there.
him.
Oh, RPG ain't gonna get you nowhere.
Bro, once pay to win, bro. I saw them have the disco. I saw them have the disco, so they're basically pay to win because they bought the all of the all of the things bad. No, Darren.
One's racist, bro. They literally said that I'm Chinese. Nah.
Since when? Since when did they say that?
Gavin, lock in. Oh, stop running, man. Stop running, man.
I killed one. Killed one.
Yes,
They
sir.
left.
They left.
No, they didn't.
Oh man. Imagine losing, bro. Imagine losing to level 63 and 93. Okay, 4 wins. 4 wins. 4 wins. 4 wins.
Then what do we do if if we win? Do we change games or something?
Yeah.
What
Then
game
we
do we
can
play?
we can just play a story game. We can play a hotel.
Nah,
Or
it's too boring.
now airplane 4.
Bruh, come on.
What nga? What do you want
I
to
don't
do?
want to play a horror game or story game, bro. It's too
Bro, I
long.
don't want to play Blox with Stools. Anything
I
except
don't wanna.
Blocks. Forsaken and Blox Fruits, bro. Except.
Then let's play. Wait, let me check my history real quick.
Bro,
Wait.
don't. Gavin, by the way, can you show your search history?
Hell na.
Bro, I literally chose Riot Shield, but I didn't choose anything. Yeah, they're mobile players. We're actually cool. But there's a chance they might lag so bad. Ooh, hot shotgun user. Thank you.
Oh my god, one of them's using a sniper.
Fire. Why so fire?
Why so pay to win? Why so pay to win? Why so pay to win kasi? Eh.
Gavin, if they're paying to win, use their most pay to win weapon. Why did they just say hardworking?
Bro, I literally see them using the skin you need to buy with it, bro. Bro thought
Oh,
I
you
would
did
not.
not see me coming, bro! John Cena, move. I call this move the John Cena, bro. Yeah, pay to win ain't doing
Help,
nothing.
bro, help, bro, help. Chat, help. Never mind, chat.
Chat, I call
Easy.
my move. Chat, I call my move the John Cena move.
I call my move the hard work move.
That's not what.
This is, bro, this is the promise me, bro. I promise, bro. This is hard work.
Oh, they're
People
going to
just
the
say
other
it's
side.
the
They're going
same
to the other
thing.
side. Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes. Bro, I bet they're saying, how do I know where they're at even though I don't see because of the fire? I just aim everywhere. I just know. Okay, I just know.
Hungry monster. Yan kasi pala may earthquake, tsaka typhoon. Whenever she stepped, there's 3
Yo,
typhoons coming.
one of them's using right shield. Right shield. One of
Ah, yeah,
them's
then
using
you're
right.
using right shoot. I'm gonna use it then.
I'm gonna use RPG since they're using right shield.
Ooh, why so serious? Why so serious?
See, one of them's using right shield. Now,
Oh,
sorry, mate.
bro, I literally, bro, he did not see that I was using spray. Oh,
Boy did not see I was
if your
using
friend's using, if your
RPGs.
friend's using right shield, I'm gonna use this.
Sorry, mate, but you're dead.
Bam!
Disappointed, mate. Nah, Darren, you're dead.
Oh,
Easy.
running ain't
Get
gonna get you
predicted.
nowhere.
Get
Blood,
predicted. Get
blood, running
predicted.
ain't gonna get you nowhere.
Get predicted. Get predicted. Get predicted.
Running ain't gonna get one. I forgot, I know. John Cena move, my John Cena move is I don't think it's really complicated. But, it's kind of complicated for me also. So, chill.
I didn't see
What the
you.
hell? What the
Hacking.
hell? Oi!
See, they're hacking, bro. See, they can teleport anywhere they want, bro. See,
Sabi sila, dali,
one of them's
panic ako.
using shotgun. One of them's using shotgun. They're
Doon na. Sige, tibag ka, wala ka na.
They teabagged you at the
No,
end,
they
bro.
didn't. Oops.
Yes,
Oops.
they did, bro. I saw them.
Okay, we need one more win, then we can play something else. What are they typing?
Let's,
I missed! I missed!
I think they're putting FFF, bro.
Mm.
Mm.
Yeah, exactly. Use right shield, I'm gonna use right shield.
Darren, you might be cooked, bro. You actually might be cooked. I'm
POV
sorry, bro.
POV 5 nights at Freddy's.
Yep, knew it.
Oh, bala ka dyan. Wala na si bro.
Bro really said lol. I'm a lock in. hacker naman kasi sila. Behind you! There was a person behind you kanina. Worst time to reload ever, bro. Worst time to reload ever.
Nah, I don't think so.
You're low, bro. You're so low. Yeah.
Uy, Brian! Naku! Slingshot user.
Bro, they have medkit and slingshot, which is pay to win.
Gavin, one's very low. Gavin, one of them's dying. One of them's dying. Yes! One of them's dying. One of them dying is... One of them is dying on the fire. Ano na, bro? Ano na, bro?
Darren, I thought you died, bro. I thought you died. Did you revive or something?
No, I was almost to dying until I caught the girl hiding somewhere and then I instantly shot her.
One of them's 100 HP. One of them's 100 HP.
Uy, saan
Darren,
galing?
lock in on the other one. Let me get this one. Lock in. Where are they coming from? Namin, I'm cooked. Darren, sorry, bro. I'm cooked, bro. I'm sorry.
It's okay, ano?
Lol.
Guys, bro, 3 lose. We actually need to lock in, Gavin. We have 3 loses and 4 wins.
I quit, bruh.
No, bro, don't. We're gonna lock in.
Nah, bro. I accidentally pressed the leave button.
No, you did not.
Bro, I have no more keys for my win streak.
It's okay, bro. You don't even need your win streak.
Wait, Darren. Let me report them real quick.
They left. I'm just
Oh
rage,
my
bro.
God.
I'm just rage.
I think they got banned, bro. I think they got banned.
Bro, I'm trying to,
They-
bro.
They
I
were
mean,
spamming, bro.
guys,
They were spamming.
Chat, so like the reason I
Yo,
said
chat,
bro,
Chat,
no,
report
let
them.
me speak
Chat,
first.
report them.
Dude, let me
Chat,
speak,
report them.
bro. Let me speak first.
Right.
The reason why I said imagine losing is because I'm trying to rage bait them. Oh my god.
Yo,
Block
chat,
Fruits
I think,
account were
I,
actually cooked.
yo, chat, I think we made them get banned, chat.
Oh, I forgot, bro. I thought I wasn't recording. If I wasn't, I would crash out.
Yo, Darren, can you like put in the tags with like my channel, cause I'm basically kinda recording right now too.
How? Are you using OBS?
Nah, I'm just recording using like a random software in Roblox.
Oh, you John Cena! It recreated the John
Oh
Cena. Wait, right, bro! They're boyfriend and girlfriends. They're matching kasi boyfriend and girlfriends.
Bro, you won't know if they're actually boyfriend and girlfriends or they're literally just brother and sisters.
Nah. Uy, ano ka ginagawa mo? King, ano mo ginagawa mo?
Bro, Darren, what you mean they're boyfriend and girlfriend, bro? They're both boys.
Huh?
Never mind, never mind,
Bro,
never
one's
mind.
wearing a girl hat.
Never mind, bro, never mind.
Guys, say
I saw.
L David for miscorrecting in the chat. Uy!
Nah, Darren, you're
Yeah,
cooked because you
yeah.
said that, bro.
Gavin,
You actually
one is very low. One is very low.
Bro, this girlfriend's hacking kasi. Imagine hacking.
What is your sensitivity, bro? Why so slow? Why is your sensitivity like that?
Bro, I like it like this kasi. You want my sensitivity to be like this? Boom, 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 boom,
Bro,
boom, boom,
just
boom,
set it to
boom.
default. If it's
I
too
can't
slow,
even see, bro. My sensitivity is too high. I can't see. Bro, if I get a kill with this, they're just a noob, bro. If I get a kill with this, they're just a noob.
I killed the girlfriend. Right here. No, they're not there. Got them.
Wait, bro. Darren, this dude's pay to win. This dude's pay to win.
John Cena!
Darren, he's pay to win, bro.
Yeah, I know. I literally I did my John Cena move on him.
I'ma use my pay to win now. Pay to win lock in time.
Uy, pay to win nga eh. Meron pa flamethrower.
How?
David, let's hide and do our
Alright, bro. This us.
fire. Some fire. Some fire.
Well, the flamethrower dude's dead. The flamethrower dude's dead. She's low, she's low, she's low, she's low.
Why is their girlfriend's name Harry?
I don't think they're
Hell na, bro. Mga predator. Hold up. Hold up, Harry. Talaga ng panalang. Oh, you don't see me, John Cena move. Ooh, ha.
imagine not being able to touch me, like lol. Imagine not being able
Kill
to
the
kill
girlfriend.
me. Imagine not being able to even attack me.
One kill there.
Sorry, what na, bruh? Sorry, what na, bruh?
Died.
Bro, their matching or outfits are confusing me kasi I thought this dude was literally him, bro. I thought this dude was him.
Match.
Bro, their matching avatars is literally
David,
confusing
we're
me.
about to win. We're about to win and then we can play another game. We're about to win.
So, can I pick the game or you pick it?
Don't click Forsaken or Blox Roads.
I know, bro. Chill.
Oh, I
One
saw
chill.
you. Uy, ano mo ginagawa?
Pay to win! I did 40 damage to him. Now we're about to lose, bro. We're about to lose.
Uy, ano mo ginagawa? King!
Yo, Darren, I got to search my speaker real quick. Magic search speaker. Search magic speaker.
Oh, Gavin, laki na na.
I am virtual. Darren, do you hear me?
Yeah.
I
Gavin,
bro,
one's
my
dying. Gavin, one of them is dying. I killed King. I killed the flame. I killed the pay to win guy.
hacker and pay to win. Imagine being both. Ha. Darren, what do you mean you killed the other one?
I did nga, bro. That's the girlfriend.
Oh. Bro, they're confusing me na kasi. Kakainis. Let's kill the pay to win one first. Darren, even the sky is galit. Bro, even the rain's galit. Bro, the rain is literally bagyoing because of them, bro. They're so baho that it's literally raining.
Rematch, mga kids. Rematch. Rematch. Uy, Divi. Okay, Gavin. We're about to play the world's hardest.
Bro, if we lose this, we gotta do the impossible obby, bro.
Yeah.
Haji na pilansik. Haji pa sarado bintana na pilansik. Haji mama gilobat niya speed.
Yeah. Wait, I think they're noobs. They look like noobs.
Please be noobs, bro. Please be noobs. We need one more win, bro. Please, bro. Please, we need one more win. Please. Nah, I quit this game, bro.
Don't give up. They look like
Darren, I can,
they
Darren,
fight.
I can, Darren, I can't hear you that much because like, because it's really raining for me.
I think it's gonna do raining. Sniper user talaga!
POV, if you're a noob sniper.
Bro try to freeze you. Nah, bro. Bro try to freeze you.
Darren, let's use assault rifle.
Uh, you go on fire. John Cena move.
Report the bacon, bro. Report the bacon. Yo, chat. Yo, Darren, show the bacon's username so the chat can report. So the
Yo,
chat can
guys,
report.
his username is angmaya88. Just
No,
take a
just
picture
show
of
them.
this.
Just show them.
Just
Na
take
lang.
a picture of this. Just take a picture of this.
Just show them, bro. Just show them.
Sue them. Why am I
Just show
getting?
them their username, bro.
Ooh, trying to do that,
Oh my god, RPG spammer kasi.
Ay, nako.
I hate this RPG spammer. He's slow, Darren. He's slow. He's slow.
Let how much know?
Bro, just rind on him.
Nah, bro. Why you need to turn on your aimbot, bro? Gavin, how much does freeze ray cost? Bro just gave me a boost to run away from him.
Don't worry, bro. He's dead. It's just the hacking bacon left. The bacon,
He got banned? Wait, what? He got banned?
bro. Darren, he was using aimbot and he was so bro. I reported him and maybe, bro.
What?
I think the chat reported him. Yo, thank you, chat. Thank you,
Bro, I'm
chat.
not live streaming. Bro,
Thank you,
bro,
chat.
we don't have to play the most impossible lobby ever.
I bro,
Let's go.
let me
Wait, I gotta
let
pee,
me
bro.
pick. Let
Wait,
me
bro.
pick. Let me pick.
Wait, I gotta pee. I gotta pee.
I while you're peeing, I'm a pee.
Gavin, what game?
Just join me. I'm already in the game.
Yes, sir. Chat, we don't actually have to play the most impossible lobby, bro.
Yo, chat. I'm actually pay to win.
Okay. Gavin, next video, what should we play?
Let's see if people want us to play Black Fruits first.
Nah, don't change.
Yo, guys. Yo, chat Black Fruits if you want us to play Black Fruits.
Oh my god, this is not fair, but this is lava.
Kisan joined us. Them.
I failed.
I just teleport, and what do you guys think?
Don't listen to Kishan. Chat, no, I'm not telling what Kishan did to me, by the way. Don't tell him that we're already in a call. Don't tell him that we're already in a call.
I know.
What the hell?
Then say yeah.
Bro, what the hell? I can't do that. Bro, wanna play another game?
Nah.
Wait, I have a game idea. Wait,
What?
what about, no. Wait, we haven't tried playing Egg Games. They didn't see Egg Games yet.
Oh yeah.
Chat, I don't know how long this is, but I'm gonna see later. Okay? I'm gonna just see later. Okay, bro?
What game, bro? I'm kinda good at that game, I guess.
Bro, let's not play with Kishan, bro. Quick, quick, quick.
Bro, where are you? Where are you?
Let's try not to play with Kishan. I don't wanna play with that guy, bro. Oh, please, no, faster! Faster! Yes, 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 yes. Shoot me!
Shoot them.
Uy, ano ba, Gavin? Shoot me! I didn't get shot. 10 seconds, please, Kishan, don't join. Kishan, please don't join.
Kishan joined. Bro, please.
He didn't join, he didn't join. It's just a VIP.
Bro. Kishan joined. Kishan joined.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't.
Yes, he did, bro. But he didn't join the game. Yes, sir.
He didn't join the game in time. Haha.
Yo, chat, can you guys give me some money so I can buy game passes, please? Please, chat.
Guys, give me some money because look how much Robux I have.
Yo, chat, give
20
me and Darren
Robux.
some money because we're poor, chat.
Hi. No. Hi. I gotta go by the. So why did you say hi and gotta go? That does not make sense.
Yo, I'm a beat trickster.
Yo guys, by the way, my Gavin's Roblox.
Yo,
By the
yo,
way, guys, I know Gavin's Roblox password is unicorn farts 123.
what?
Gavin's password in YouTube and Roblox is unicorn farts 123.
What?
Just kidding.
Why so wrong?
Yeah. I bet Kisha doesn't even know yet.
Chat, let me emote. Nah, he's inviting me to a tycoon. Hell nah.
Hell no, hell no, hell no, hell no.
Darren, let's go, bro.
What the hell? What the hell Yante, bro? What the hell Yante? Why pushing so early? The game didn't even start. Chill. You see me, bro? I don't know where I'm going.
Darren, skip.
I already did.
target the brown dude because he literally pushed me.
I can't. Are you still injured?
Oh, Darren! Darren, what are you doing?
Hit me first.
Nah, this mine, bozo.
Dude, what the hell? What the hell, Leontes? Gavin, stay away from him. I think he's gonna try to push us up.
Wait, let me pick up some sand. Imagine they actually move.
Boy, why did you fall for my trick?
I didn't, bro. I accidentally moved. Bro, the brown dude's there.
Yeah, you remember pushing my friend? Nah. Take some of your own medicine. Come on,
He's
Gavin.
totally moving. Helena.
Oh, you miss. Kudu natin pass. Whoever let him pass, magna. Don't carry him. Matthew, Gavin there!
Darn it. Someone's gonna push you, bro. Let me push.
You tryna do that, man? Nah, die. Can you just die?
He'd just die.
Wow, I'm actually cool.
I got you, bro.
Sir. Yeah, they're not making it.
They're so not making it. Imagine someone just pushes us.
You tryna hide. Gavin! Gavin!
No! Darren! You got this, bro.
Dude! Ano ba
No,
yan?
Darren!
Yes, just, restart, bro, restart. Do not let Keisha notice, bro. Quick, join me! Quick! Gavin,
Bro,
quick!
he's literally playing another game already.
Gavin, quick. If he notices, just leave instantly. Just instantly leave. Like,
I'm in, bro. I'm in.
No, you're not, bro. I can see you.
Bro, why? Bro, chat, give me money so I can buy monkey string, bro. Chat, please, bro.
Gavin, how do I drink my luck multiplier?
Your what?
How do I drink my luck multiplier?
Go to game passes. Go to, upgrades. Go to upgrades.
Yo, on player 001. Imagine we just invite Tisha to in-games and then you're not there.
Yeah.
Pula-pula, Chickzina, machinig. At exactly 1 second, I will invite Tisha.
No, invite him while we're in the game already, so he can't join.
Come here, Tisha. two more rounds and then I gotta end the video. By the way,
Two more what?
two more rounds of this. Bro, Thanos. Two more rounds of this and then I gotta end the video
Why?
because yes, it might take too long. By the way, guys, no, please like and subscribe. Do not forget, bro.
But can we, why is Thanos here?
I don't know.
But, Darren, can we, though, can we still call?
Yeah, I'm just ending the video.
Uh, why is Thanos here?
Bing, bing, bing. Ah, bing, bing, bing. Ah, bam, bam, bam. Bing, bing, bing. Ah, bing, bing, bing.
I'm literally him,
Bing,
bro. I'm
bing,
literally
bing,
him.
bing. Somebody commented on my video and it's literally Hans.
What?
Somebody commented on my latest video.
What is it? Who commented?
It's Hans.
Hans?
Yeah, he has a YouTube channel.
What's your, bro? What's your YouTube channel?
I'll send it. Did the game start, bro?
Yeah.
Totally not spamming. Dali, Gavin, check it out and subscribe, bro.
What?
Check it out, bro.
You chatted it?
Yeah.
I.
Why am I getting so much views on my Play Crazy videos? Wait, the game started?
Yeah. How do you not know?
It's not suited. Yeah, I'm not cheat code. I'm not making it. I'm not making it. Ooh. Whoever's the front man, why you so serious? This guy's helping me. W. Guys, W to this guy. Shout out to him too.
I killed someone, bro. I killed someone. Help. Help me.
Can't, bro. I'm dead. How do you know how much?
Darren, bro. Help me, bro. I'm begging. Begging you. Darren, I see you.
Yeah, bro. Skibidi.
Darren, how are you hacking?
I accidentally moved. So yeah. What the hell? We're cooked.
Bro, I'm just really right here. Somebody help me.
So sorry, map so sad.
Darren, help me, bro. I'm the only person here.
How do you glitch out of the map?
You can.
Yes, you can. Bro, you bozo. Literally pushing me for the reason why I got injured. No, Thanos about to save you. Thanos, bang, 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 about to save you, bro.
No, he isn't.
Oh, Gavin, he was about to help you. Wala na.
Thank you, my guy. Thank you, my guy, for sacrificing yourself.
Why is this guy trying to push me out? Gavin, just lock in. Idiot. Idiot, wala kang jowa.
I got this.
No! Stop moving,
I
Gavin!
got this.
Yeah, nobody help that guy. Let's just leave him. push me, idiot.
LOL! Rip Lil, bro. Para saan yan? Para saan? Paano? Pero ano ginagawa nito? Kapag ano mo siya sa hypercall, pero lagyan mo na so pag niano ko dito,
Yeah, get in there!
gawa nila yun.
Map
Gawa nila yun. Para kala nila effective. Someone's stuck in there! Someone's dead.
Bro, somebody accidentally went in and then I left.
Sikip dito.
Guys, if I get Mona Lisa, guys, if I get Mona Lisa, Roel is gay. If I get Mona Lisa, Roel's gay.
Try nga na.
The hell, bro?
Yun. Try ko.
Latest RIP Luffy after, guys.
Bro, is there a Skibidi toilet avatar here?
Nah, that's the average RIP Luffy avatar in 2025. Kasi, ikaw nga yung brain rot na meron. Sige, ruin ko picture mo. Wala na picture mo. Skibidi toilet.
Kami isang pwede din pala ito sa Joey.
Uy, John, Jory.
Yo, Dine, what is this, bro? Dine, go to the section, bro. What is this?
Oh my god, what is that, Gavin?
Diba? Darker yung ano pag may helmet.
Yo, what do you mean by darker, Gavin? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, Gavin? What you mean, bro? What you mean? Oops. Oopsie daisies. Thought I would do something. Sorry. Guys, if I get Mona Lisa, I know Gavin is gay.
I got Mona Lisa.
I got Star.
I got Mona Lisa,
Nah.
so you are.
Nah, bro, that's Star. Somebody got Umbrella. Who got Mona Lisa, though? Guys, don't worry. I definitely played these games before.
I failed immediately.
Oh, I thought that was about to be first.
One more chance.
Easy. Did you die?
Yeah, I died.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Somebody got Mona Lisas. Who got Mona Lisas? Somebody got Sackboy. I remember you. Oi, oi, oi. Oi,
Did
where
no
are
one
you, oi?
just... Bro, no one got Mona Lisa.
Lucky.
Yeah, no one literally got a Mona Lisa.
Oh, trying to push me back. I keep running. Bro can't do anything. Guys, next in 2 videos, me and Gavin will probably like do a challenge like 1v1. Whoever like loses first has to play the Roles Impossible obby.
What?
Gavin, in 2 videos, we're gonna 1v1 where whoever loses the most, has to play the World's Impossible obby.
The what?
How do you not hear me, bro?
Because I don't have a speaker.
Dude, Gavin. Kasi urong!
Kasi trick!
What the hell do you mean? Bro got pushed. Somebody, wait, Gavin, I know the, Gavin, look. Gavin, look. Shoot me, come on. Gavin! Yeah, you tried, little bro. You absolutely tried.
I didn't do nothing.
My turn. My turn, guys. Oh my god.
Sorry, but yeah.
My turn. My turn. I'm the most big backers out of y'all.
Y'all are big backs, bro.
Easy. Easy. I got the food already. I'm gonna
Let me
go.
get food, y'all.
I'm gonna go hides. I'm gonna go hide
Finally.
hides. I'm gonna go hide hides.
Darren, I literally tripped everyone, then I literally got it. When I tripped everyone, I got it.
Guys, tomorrow
Darren,
I might be posting a little bit. I think.
Darren, follow me, bro. I know our best spot.
Oh, wait, I don't remember the one on where we go on top of the piggy bank.
Yeah, I know that, but we need weapon smuggler or something.
Gavin, where are you? Oh my god, where are
I'm
you,
on
man?
top here, bro.
Yeah,
Darren, go to the top of the beds, bro.
I can see, I can see, I can see.
I can't even attack. I can't even attack. Bro, help me.
You can't jump, that's the limit.
Bro, help. Two people are teaming on me. For no
Yo, yo, yo,
absolute.
yo, see John! See John!
Three people are teaming on me now.
Bro, go, run, Gavin! Gavin, if you die, just spectate me.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Teamers. Darren, I swear, bro. Please, I'm 1 HP help. Hacker.
Gavin, just spectate me, okay? Gavin, just spectate me. I'm gonna try to win for
I
you.
left, bro. I left. Too late.
No, bro. Gavin!
Bro, people literally made me leave.
Bro, just spectate me na lang. Bro, what the hell,
I
Caius?
tried to. I tried to. Then I
Oh,
got.
I remember you! You literally killed me, Caius! I remember you now!
Darren, can you kill the dude that killed me?
Bro, he keeps running while she's low. What the hell? Why y'all targeting on me?
See, because we're friends, bro. They target on us, bro. You're a content creator. That's why.
What the hell?
Bro,
Brother?
it's because you're a content
Brother,
creator.
fuck you. Fuck
I'm
you.
playing Black Squid na lang. Black Squid's better than that.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe.
Like and sub, guys, or I'll go in your bed and I will skibidi your toilet, bruh.
Okay, just ignore it. Bro, like and subscribe, and bro, if you see that bell on the side of the, subscribe button, just do it. Do it!